Embrace balance and energy, mastering Trikonasana, triangle pose. Welcome to this journey of mindfulness as we explore Trikonasana, or triangle pose. Known for its calming yet empowering benefits, this pose fosters balance, strength, and clarity. Prepare to engage your body and mind in harmony while opening yourself to breathing deeper and releasing tension. Begin by standing tall in mountain pose. Step your feet wide apart, aligning your heels. Pivot your right foot outward to face the edge of your mat, while your left foot turns slightly inward. Be mindful of firming your legs and grounding your feet to create a steady foundation. Inhale deeply and raise your arms parallel to the floor, palms facing down. Feel the energy coursing through your fingertips. With an exhale, extend your torso gracefully toward the right as your hips shift back. Let your right hand travel to your shin, ankle, or the floor. Feel the stretch awaken along your body's side and legs. Your left arm reaches upward toward the ceiling, creating one continuous energy line. Avoid straining. This pose should feel expansive, not rigid. Keep breathing steadily as you expand, embracing the openness Trikonasana provides. Now bring awareness to your chest, ensuring it stays open and lifted. Your gaze can rest on your top hand or remain neutral as you lengthen your spine. Every breath invites more space into your body, creating a feeling of freedom and lightness. Remember, yoga is about balance between effort and surrender. If you feel tension creeping in, ease off slightly and adjust your positioning. Trikonasana isn't about perfection, it's about self-awareness. Let each movement and breath help you find your unique rhythm in this peaceful pose. Repeat the pose on your left side, maintaining the same mindful focus. Notice if one side feels tighter or freer than the other. It's all part of your practice. Embrace every sensation as your body builds strength and flexibility over time. As we conclude, return to mountain pose. Pause here for a few calming breaths, noticing how your body feels, lighter, stronger, more aligned. Trikonasana gently works the body and clears the mind, leaving behind a sense of centeredness you can carry through the day. Thank you for joining this session on Trikonasana. If you felt inspired, continue exploring poses that enhance balance and inner peace. Subscribe to our channel for more calming practices. Share this gift of yoga with others, and let's build a community rooted in wellness and mindfulness. Namaste.